Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making, I don't even have a name for this, but it's kind of like a breakfast bake. Well, it is a breakfast bake. It's going to have hash browns on the bottom, and then we're going to season our eggs and a little bit of veggies to them and bake this. And it's kind of like almost like a quiche, but with hash browns. I love this recipe. My son loves it. It's really easy. It's delicious. It comes together in no time. The most time you will spend is just baking it. So let's get started.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough.